is 18.5 kilometers, but just now we are shooting with range of 10.8 kilometers. You can see just now, highly actually the modernized in Serbia. First of all, it is Malyutka 2T of 5 kilometers. Now we are shooting with range of 3 kilometers due to conditions on this actually the firing range. Target is typical armor target up to range of 3,000 meters. You can see precise guidance. This weapon has semi-automatic command direct hit in VTI Institute in factory. Shooting the next one. Target is bunker at range of 2.5 kilometers. You can see here by naked eye, if you have, of course, the small bunker, which could be devastatingly destroyed with this effect of this weapon. You can see now. Yes, it was good. Based on